Good morning, student. Now today, revision of this chapter set, and the first thing is what is the set? That is well-defined collection of objects. And the first thing is exercise 1.1. Then now the very simple is what is the roster form and what is the builder form. Roster form, for example, the roster form that means expand. And in builder form that means build, that means the rule and regulation. So now first thing is the roster form where set A, set is denoted by curly bracket, and now set A, that is x is a sub that x is an integer, and which integers? X is a between -3 to 7. So what is the roster form? X is an integer, and what is the integers number? Then integers number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, -1, -2, -3 and so on. This is integers denoted by I or Z, right? So now x is an integer, but which integers? We start from -3 and -3 is included. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is not included between -3 to 7. But 7 is not included. Agar ये equals to a 7, that is the 7 include. So this is the roster form. But what is builder form? Builder form, for example, is another example. Like A set is a 3, 6, 9, 12. Then 3 into 1 is a multiple of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 into 2. 3 into 3 is a 9. 3 into 4. Right? So that is builder form. That means all is a multiple of 3. That is 3x, and such that x is natural number, right? And which natural number? Between 1 to 4. So this is builder form. It's another example. 1, 4, 9. 1 is the square of 1, that is the 1 square of 2, that is the 4 square of 1 square of 2, square of 3 is a 9 square of 4, and last is a square of 10. So that means this is a square, so that is x raised to power 2, and such that x is a natural number, right? And which natural number? Between 1 to 10. So the 1 include, 10 include. So this is a builder form. Now question, exercise 1.1 is a very simple, right? Which set, right? Set is a well-defined collection. For example, natural number, right? Whole number, integers number, right? But now, exercise 1.2. What is the finite set and infinite set? Finite set, for example, this is 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the finite set, right? But infinite set, for example, is a natural number. For example, is the integers number. Whole number, that means is infinite values. What is the whole number? Then start from 0, denoted by W. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is whole number. So whole number, integers number, right, rational number, irrational number, real number, all are infinite set. Now the second thing, equal sets. What is the equal set? Then set A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is a 4, 3, 2, 1. That is number of elements are equal, right? So this is equal set. This is very clear. Every element of set A is also every element of B, right? Then if every element of set A is also an element of set B, then A and B set are equal set. What is the subset of subset? For example, subset is denoted by this. This sign is a subset. A is subset of B. That means A containing B. That, for example, set A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So set A के all elements in set B. That is A is a subset of B. Right? But this is subset. And अगर ये हमें यहाँ line draw करते हैं, so this is a proper subset. What is the proper subset? That means set element of set A and element of set B are equal. Same elements. That is proper subset. This is another example. So for example, natural number. Natural number is a subset of integers number, right? And integers number is a subset of rational number. And rational number is a subset of real number. So this is, now second thing, interval. You know student, interval, there are two types of interval. One is the open interval and another is a closed interval. So what is the open interval and what is the closed interval? Open interval is denoted by a small bracket. Open interval is denoted by a small bracket and closed interval is denoted by big bracket. Right? What is the difference between open interval and closed interval? That open interval, that means denoted by small bracket. For example, x belongs 2 to 9. This is open interval, that means x is between 2 to 9. 2 and 9 is not equal. Any x value 2.1 to 8.9, right? But what is the closed interval? Closed interval, that means denoted by big bracket. For example, 2 to 9, that is x belongs. So this is the closed interval, that means x is between 2 to 9. But now value of x from start 2 and end up is 9. Here 2 and 9 include, that is a closed interval. For example, x belongs, this is open interval 4 to 10 and this is closed. That is the open close. Open close, that means x value start from 4 but end up 10, that is a closed interval, that means 10 is equal. Next value 4.1 is equal to 10. So this is the open close. So this is the, there are two types of interval, right? Open interval and closed interval. Now another universal set. Universal set, what is the universal set? That is all the basic set is called universal set. All prime numbers or particular contain, right? Exercise 1.3 is a universal set, subset. So please solve. Now is the next Venn diagram. Venn diagram, look here. Is the another topic, Venn diagram. Now look here student, Venn diagram. For example, that is set A is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is a 3, 4, 5, 6. And now it's a universal set. This is capital U. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. First thing is a rectangle. This is a circle, set A, is another circle, set B. This is set A and this is set B and this is the universe. And first thing set A element 1, 2, 3, 4, right? First thing now draw the Venn diagram of A intersection. Intersection, that is the common elements. So what is the common element of A and B? Then common element is only 3 and 4. So this is the common part. This is 3 and 4. 1 and 2, this is set 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is a 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a, what is the Venn diagram of A intersection B? That means it's only shaded A intersection. This is A intersection. This is the A intersection. Now it's another Venn diagram. Now find A union B. That means set A is set B. A union B, that means all element of A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means all element, that is, this is portion, fully portion, this is A intersect union B. So this is the Venn diagram of A union B. Now so another, find the value of A dash. This is the complement set. What is the complement set? That is the universal minus A. Universal minus A, that means A dash is the complement of set A. That means complement is set denoted by dash. U minus A, यूनिवर्सल माइनस A का मतलब यूनिवर्सल सेट में से आपको A सेट के एलिमेंट हटा दीजिए. Then remove this element of A. So left, what is A dash? That is a 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right? So now this is set A, this is set B. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 this. And now the A dash in 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. That is a 4, 5, 6, 7. That means this is 5, 6, 7. 4 is included is both. That means change. Set 1, 2, 3. So only 1, 2, 3. That is a 4, 5, 6. But 4 is included. Then 3 and 4. That means this is always. मतलब left this portion, right? So this is A dash complement set. And now the next topic is another topic. First thing, that is the properties of union and intersection. This is what is the properties of union and look, properties of union, A union B and B union A are equal. Why? This is commutative law. आप A union B find करो या B union B find करो. What is the commutative law? For example, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. That is the commutative law in addition. 2 into 3, 3 into 2 are equal. Why? This is the commutative law in multiplication. Same commutative law in commutative law in union. A union B is equals to B union. What is the associative law? Associative law is, that means A star B star C is equals to A star B star C. This is associative law. First two and last two. This is both value are equal. This is associative law. For example, अगर आपने A union B find किया, right? Select 3 sets. Set A is given, set B is given, set C is given. Now find A union, right? And again is union C. And this is equal. Now B union C is again union of A. This is associative law. This is commutative, right? Now another, what is the idempotent law? Idempotent law. That means set A union set A. अगर आप A union set A निकालते, for example, A union 1, 2, 3, 4, and again is A 1, 2, 3. So what is the union A union A? That is equals to A. This is idempotent law. Idempotent law. That means A union A equals to A. पर अगर आपने किसी सेट A के साथ में यूनियन क्या 5, you know student 5 is an empty set, null set is other than null set, empty set. That means no element of A. अगर आप किसी सेट को और empty set के साथ में यूनियन करते तो उसमें क्या आएगा? This is A. That means this is law of identity law, right? So same is the intersection. A intersection B and B intersection A are equal. Why? This is the commutative law in intersection. Same associative law, right? And now again idempotent law. So this is A intersection A. That is also equal. A. This is idempotent law. So this is the exercise 1.4. A very easy exercise. Right? Check the examples, check the properties. Right? Now exercise 1.5. This is complement set. So already clear कर दिया what is the complementary set. And second thing, Venn diagram. So exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5. But exercise 1.6 is totally dependent on this formula, number of A union B. You know student, and number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is the first formula. And now the same second formula, number of A union B equals to number of A plus number of B. क्या डिफरेंस इन दोनों फॉर्मूले में? स्टूडेंट एक बात ध्यान रखना, अगर जहां A इंटरसेक्शन B, दो सेट है आपके पास में, एक सेट A सेट B, अगर उन दोनों का कॉमन एलिमेंट्स A इंटरसेक्शन B की वैल्यू अगर 5 आ जाती है, 5 दैट मींस एम्प्टी सेट A intersection B equals to 5, that means this is set of disjoint. So what is the disjoint set when A intersection B is equals to 5? That means अगर number of intersection B की value, अगर दोनों common element में कोई zero elements है, कोई common element नहीं है, the number of intersection B is 0, that means this is applied second law. Second formula, but apply first formula when number of A is given, number of B is given, number of intersection B is given. This दोनों formula पे depend. Exercise 1.6. So please solve first chapter. It's a very easy, only basic of mathematics. Right? Thank you.